headed by our winner. To start with, we have the treasurer, Ma'am Hineta Dasco. Palakpakan po. Next, also we have our Barangay Secretary, Ma'am Jean Cabanela. We have also our Honorable Kagawad Mario Heronimo. Also, we have Honorable Kagawad Nilo Magana. Honorable Kagawad Salvacion Sireno. Also, we have Honorable Kagawad Rosalie Largo. Next, we have Honorable Kagawad Nilo Salmonte. Also, we have Honorable Kagawad Jeanette Cabanela. now for this year's pageant, Miss San Jose Talisay. Start with, ladies and gentlemen, he is a 21 years old, a fourth-year college at Mabini Colleges Incorporated, Bachelor of Physical Education, a team captain of College of Education Men's Volleyball Team, team captain of Mabini Colleges Pisa Men's Volleyball Team, president of Labueño Balibulisa, representative of Camarines Norte National Volley Prep Club Championship in Nueva Ecija, last 2023, fourth placer. Ladies and gentlemen, the third runner-ups in Ginoong Seating 2018 in Labo Science and Technology High School, Mr. BKD 2019 in Labo Science and Technology High School. Official candidate for Mr. and Miss Mabini Colleges 2024 Centennial Edition. Ladies and gentlemen, make way to Mr. John Paul Villapuerte. Miss San Felipe 2018, Miss Gachindarena 2023, S&P Regional Brand Ambassadors and Summer Passing Show 2023. Second runner-up, Miss Bikini Open Mambungalon. First runner-up, C-San Bikini Open. First runner-up, Miss Bikini Open Barangay Cuava Masbate. First runner-up, Miss Sexy Babe Manana. Second runner-up, Miss San Jose. Second runner-up, Miss Mega 2023. First runner-up, Miss Sexy Babe Jose Panganiba 2022. Miss Sexy Babe Jose Panganiba 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Paula Erica De Jesus. Bachelor of Arts in Communication, graduate of Mabini College Incorporated, Academic Excellence Awardee, studied at the University of the Philippines, active youth volunteer, advocating for community development and social change, a product researcher at Lead Technology Solution, US-based company, specializing in product development and market analysis, as a chairperson of Barangay Itamang. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to Ma'am Holly Grace Ibana. With units in Master of Arts and Education major in English. Married with 5 children, teacher 3 at San Francisco National High School. 13 years and 8 months in service teaching English and Filipino subject. Top 14 as best coach, Speed Grammar National Challenge. He received a national certificate as Brigada Escola Coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ma'am Sheila Abais Ibita. Next judge, ladies and gentlemen, is a man from Mabini Colleges, major in educational leadership with complete academic requirements. MAED Universidad de Santa major in Filipino with 36 unit. Teacher 3 San Francisco National High School, 18 years in service. Ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am Maricel Velasco. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino, and alumna of SIPAC Cultural and Performing Arts Center of Camarines Norte State College, a dancer, choreographer, teacher, and a cultural coordinator of Gonzales Escucha High School, member of Camarines Norte Dancers, deputy member of Dance Sports, Team Camarines, one of the performer of Pindak Mo Tuko, Recuerdo, Gabi ng Musika, Sining at Parangal at Sorsogon City. Ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am Janeline Orbilio. Miss Gay Mercedes 2010, Miss Gay Brickyard First Princess 2011, Miss Gay Prettiest 2012, First Princess, Miss Gay Vincent's 2014, Miss Gay Santa Cruz 2014, and of course, a beauty pageant enthusiast, a former beauty queen and title holder, ladies and gentlemen, an event coordinator, makeup artist, and a beauty queen maker. Ladies and gentlemen, no other than an aspirant for municipal councilor, Mitch Largo Apuyo. At this juncture, we'd like to call in, of course, Honorable Joseph Encinas for the welcome address. Palakpakan po.
Hello po. Magandang nabanggit po sa Luya Kabos. Pasensya na po kamo talagang nagkanta pa sa hapon, medyo taas. Pero po, ay talagang napaka-dami uli ng tao. Pero mas marami po kagabi. Mas paborito po yata kagabi yung mga barako. Ano po? Siyempre po, unang-una po ang pagbati po sa mga Board of Judges, sa mga nagagandang po Board of Judges, ang tahan at nagawapuhan. Maray naman po sa Edo Gabos. Siyempre po, ang sa kuya mga kaibahan sa Barangay Council, tingnan po ninyo, parang mga batang-bata sila pag naka-Pilipinyana at nakabarong. Napaka-pugi at maganda. Siyempre, ang sa kuya po, SK Chairman na talagang maurang po. Walang iba po kundi si Israel Gonzales at ang kanyang kasamahang mga SK kagawad na napakasipag po nila sa ganito pong event. At siyempre po, ang chairman po ng event nito na si SK Chairman at ang co-chairman po ay si Kagawad Aldrin Magana. Napakasipag po niyan. At siyempre po, sa lahat po na nanonood po ngayong gabi, maya-maya lang po, matutunghayan po ninyo ang magaganda pong binibini dito po sa Barangay San Jose mula Purok 1 hanggang Purok 6. Maya-maya po, makita ninyo ang kagandahan po ng mga contestant natin ngayong gabi. At siyempre po, nagpapasalamat po ang buong council sa effort po ng mga barangay tanod sa pamumuno po ng aming chief tanod na si Armando Nala. Sa lahat pong tumulong sa event na ito mula nung kagabi hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat po. Kaya ngayon po gabi, welcome po kayo lahat dito po sa Barangay San Jose. Mabuhay po ang Barangay San Jose.
Thank you so much, PB Joseph Encinas. as the criteria for judging. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ma'am Mitch Largo Abuyo.
Good evening po sa lahat. Here's the criteria for judging. Production number, 20%. Swimsuit, 20%. Long gown, 20%. Question and answer, 40%. Total of 100%. Para naman po sa top 5 finalists, beauty, 50%. Intelligent, 50%. Total of 100%. Good luck, ladies. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, meet our candidates for Miss San Jose Talisay 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, in line with the celebrations of Barangay Fiesta of Barangay San Jose Talisay, in cooperation with Precious Roxy Lopez Event and Management, brings you the 2025 Miss San Jose together with the Deep Set Dancers and their grand production number.
Goddamn, are you crazy? Shawty, I just go, Magana, 17 years old, representing ang purok na walang marites, purong tres, eme! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Melissa San Fernando, 17, proudly representing Purok Dos, Gawad Kalinga! To all distinguished judges, audience, and to my fellow candidates, good evening. My name is Mershing G. Raro, and I believe that life is beautiful if you will choose to see it. And when life may offer us challenges, but as long that we're optimistic, then everything will get better. Representing Purok Dos San Jose! Good evening, everyone. Venice Cusamonte, representing Purok Cinco! A wonderful evening to each and everyone. I'm Christina Beth Hamito Goles, 16 years old, proud and honored to represent Purok Uno! Good evening, everyone. I am Elaine Diazis, 18 years old, representing Purok Dos. Good evening, everyone. My name is Kirby Saint Villanueva Corpus, 15. Representing Purok Dos, Gawad Kalinga! Vetting Aisa or Nain, 21, Purok 5. Buenas noches, or should I say, good evening, people of San Jose. This is Hermes Habisudo, proudly and firmly representing Purok Dos, Gawad Kalinga! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Laika G. Villanueva, representing Purok Dos. Good evening, San Jose! My name is Jurassica Baldoza, 70 years old, representing Purok Dos. Liza May Orindain, 15, representing Purok Sais.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet your host, Mr. Rex Campo Lakay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this year's pageant. Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, ladies. Thank you to the member of the Sangguniang Councils. Diyan lang kayo, meron pa tayong awards. At syempre maraming salamat po to the rest of the member of the SK Sangguniang. Thank you so much. Sa lahat po ng member of the panel of judges for tonight's competition, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And to all the people of Barangay San Jose. this event. This time, are you excited to do your next competition, or I am going to give you the first set of corporate awards? Bigyan na natin. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa aking kaibigan na si Roxy for giving me the chance to be part of this. Bago ko magdire-diretso, Cap, I remember when I was, I guess it's 2025, nandito, 2005, nandito po ako. Tapos ngayon po ako nakabalik and looking forward na sana maging part po ng inyong Pag-Fest activity. This time, ladies and gentlemen, our first corporate award is the Miss MJDJ Perfume Collection Choice Award. And to present the award, we have the presenter, of course, our usherettes, together with SK officials. We have congratulations to candidate number it's you, candidate number 1, Miss Annika Rose Garden. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number. It's candidate number 10, and I'm printing shop is candidate number 10. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number. It's candidate number 2. And Resonant Alcohol Choice Award and MG Drinking Services by Rosalind Villabranca. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number. It's you, candidate number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number. It's you, candidate number 15. Congratulations and thank you. Next award is the Edge Just Perfume Choice Award. And Miss Excellent, the rebanding expert by Edward Saspapanto. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number. It's candidate number 11. Nagpagod, nagsimikap para magkaroon ng isang maayos at magandang Miss San Jose 2025. And at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, this celebrations of beauty and intelligence would not be made possible without having and hearing the message coming from our co-chairman, Miss San Jose Talisay. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, to Honorable Kagawad John Aldrin Magana. Palakpakan po.
Lahat sa Board of Judges, sa masipag na aming kapitan, Cap Joseph Sina, sa kasamaan po sa council, sa aming pong barangay treasurer, at sa pinakamasipag pong SK chairman, John Israel Gonzalez, at sa kanyang pong mga SK kagawad. Magandang gabi po ulit. Ngayong gabi po ay pinagdiriwang natin ang Misa ng 2025. At tunghayan po ninyo ang magaganda namin dilaan dito sa San Jose. Bihira lang po namin yung makita, pero sa pagtsatsaga po ni Chairman, nahanap po nila yung magagandang dalaga dito sa San Jose. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga magulang na nagbigyan po nila ng pagkakataon itong mga batang ito na payagan na sumali sa amin kahit nakaswimsuit man na two-piece, pinayagan pa rin nila. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga kandidata. Good luck po at magandang gabi po.
Thank you so much, Kagawad Aldrin Magana. And of course, this celebrations of beauty and intelligence would not be made possible without having our generous sponsor. Maraming salamat po to Miss Ato Samarista, Casa Napunday, Diet Grouping and Services, Seascape Resto Bar, Conzi Leti Ibita, Conzi Janeline Aguilar, Conzi Kagawad Mitch Sabuyo, Mayor Donovan Manzanito, Juancho Rumores, Congresswoman Rosemary Bonotes, and of course, maraming salamat sa kind of party po everything. And of course, to Conzi Dion Zabala. Maraming salamat po to the rest of the member of our member of the panel of juries. Special thanks to soon to be our municipal councilor, ma'am, my friend, Mitch Abuyo, konsihala. Should I call you konsihala? Dahil alam naman natin, ang ingay ng pangalan, di ba? And, okay lang yan. Wala naman masama doon at least hindi mo naman ako inutusan. And it's my honor to have a friend like you. And of course, I would like to extend a gratitude thanks for gracing this event. Alam natin na busy at talaga magpupuyat, Ma'am Jeneline Orbillo. Good evening po. Actually si Ma'am Jeneline po, that was actually, hindi niya nilagay dito. She is actually a beauty queen from Camarines Norte State College. Maraming salamat. And of course, magandang gabi po, Ma'am Marisol Velasco. Thank you. Sa inyo kinuha lahat ng judge nyo. Ang gaganda tapos may guwapo. Magandang gabi po, Ma'am Sheila Irita. Good evening. Also, we have Ma'am Honey Grace and is it Ibana or Ibani? Ibana po. Okay. And Hello po kay Mama Paula Erica De Jesus. Siguro si Ma'am Paula hindi niya ako nakikilala pero siya natatandaan ko pa rin. Kasi sa lahat ng mga events mo na may binanggit ka, ako yung isang host. Medyo tumabalang tayo ng konti. And of course, Sir John Paul Villaperte, good evening. And to all the people of Barangay San Jose, palakpakan daw po. Gusto ko yung may malakas na sigawan at palakpakan. Ganito, pag malakas, magpapalaro tayo. Sige, okay. Parang napasubo ako doon. Okay, malakas na sigawan at palakpakan. DJ, wait lang. Huwag mong dayain. Mas maganda yung sila yung maririnig ko. Okay, dito muna tayo. Dito daw, sigaw! Medyo mahina. Tapos magbibigay tayo ng isang TV. Dito sa gitna! Malakas. Dito sa gilid! Mas malakas. Ilang TV ang gusto nyo? Huwag naman 10. Ilan? Isa, basta totoo. Bukas, pag uminit ang panahon, magbilad. Pag umulan, magpaulan. Pagdating ng hapon, may TV ka na. Pass na. Yeah. Okay, so I guess, please give me a sign if our candidates is ready for the next competition. Okay, so this time, ladies and gentlemen, then we have an intermission number coming from the Dipset Dancer. Palakpakan po. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our candidates in the swimsuit competition. 25, and 30. Candidate number 6, she measured 29, 23, and 30. statistic is 31, 26, and 30. Corporate Awards, DJ. This time, ladies and gentlemen, the Kalinga Rock Choice Award and the AS Sub Repair Choice Award is candidate number. It's candidate number 4. Our next corporate award is the El Prince Souvenirs owner by Chobaling Bayani and Kuya Alex Choice Award by Alex de Los Angeles. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number 5. 8. Again, the Miss Annika Garden Choice Award and the Fleur Collection Choice Award, we have candidate number candidate number 9. The next award is the Porty Gasoline Station and Diet Grouping and Services. Congratulations to candidate number it's candidate number 12. Our next award is the Miss Seascape and Miss Diet Grooming and Services. Congratulations to candidate number candidate number 13. And this year's Miss Savannah Flowers of Choice Award and Miss the Generic Pharmacy. Congratulations, candidate number it's candidate number 14. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, candidates. And please ready yourself for the next competition. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po to our generous corporate sponsor. And of course, we would like to say thank you so much to Mr. Ato Samarisa, Kasanapundan, Diet Grooming and Services, Seascape Resto Bar, Consi Betty Ibita, Consi General Pilar, Consi Kagawan Mix Apuyo, Mayor Donovan Mancinido, Moncho Ramores, Congresswoman Rosemary Panotes, Kinda Paddy Puente, and Consi Dion Sabana. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, bago tayo magdire-diretso sa susunod ng programa, I would like to call of course, the chairman of the Miss San Jose Talisay and the SK chairman of this barangay. Palakpakan po natin, Honorable Chairman John Israel Gonzalez. Palakpakan po.
So magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. First of all, to our jury, the Board of Judges, and sa Barangay Council po ng Barangay San Jose, and sa aking mga SK Kagawad, and sa aking co-chairman na si Kagawad Jan Adrian Magana. Ngayong gabi po natutuwa ang Barangay San Jose, lalong higit na po ang sangguniang kabataan ng Barangay San Jose, sapagkat nagbunga na po ang paghahanap namin ng mga kandidata. Kahit gabi, umuulan, alam po ng ibang nanay na talagang kinumbinsi namin na sumali ang kanilang mga anak sa patimpalak na ito. Hindi lamang po, isa na rin po para maging kinatawan ng Barangay San Jose sa darating na Miss Talisay, upang ma-boost ang kanilang self-confidence at ang kanilang pakikisalamuha sa ibang candidates. So ang goal po talaga ng Miss Talisay, mahubog at makapag sorry po, na-overrun lang ako. Makahubog at maka-discover ng isang magandang, ng mga kagandahang kabataan dito sa ating barangay. At higit po, maraming salamat din po sa mga tumulong para may sagawa at may sakatuparan ng programa ito. Higit sa lahat ang aming kapitan, si Cap Joseph, kay Kagawad Nino Samonte, na gone away, kay saan man, kay Ate Junet, kay Kagawad Junet, kay Ma'am Salvacion, kay Ate Jean, kaya Kagawad Sari at sa Barangay Tanod, sino pa ba? Sa mga utility, sa ating mga tabulators, and sa ating mga usherette. So ngayong gabi po, at higit sa lahat po, sa mga magulang po, na talagang pumayag na at hinain ng kanilang anak na maging kinatawan ng bawat purok ng ating barangay. Isa lamang po itong patunay na ang Barangay San Jose ay may natatagong yaman, talino, kultura at higit sa lahat, ibang klase ng mga babae. So, sa mga 15 kandidata, ano man ang maging resulta ng gabi ito, ang pasalamat ng Sangguniang Kabataan sa inyo ay 100%. So, kung sino man ang mananalo, congratulations at isipin lang lagi natin na stepping stone lang ninyo ito para magkaroon kayo and mas maboost pa ang confidence nyo and magiging experience at maalala nyo ito in the future. So, I hope next year, kung kakayanin pa, go pa. Pero kung hindi na kaya, kakayanin pa rin. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, SK Chairman. Napakaganda ng message na binigay ni SK Chairman kasi sa totoo lamang po, yung sinabi ni SK Chairman that is actually their stepping stone kasi pagdating nila sa malaking stage, talagang grabe ang labanan dyan sa bayan ng Talisay. So, kita-kita natin ang barangay ng San Jose sa pamumuno ni Cap at ng ating pong chairman at mga kagawad ay kitang-kitang palaban talaga ang inyong mga kandidata. Ano po, sa amin po sa bayan ng Labo, we have 52 barangays. Ang nagpa-participate lamang po sa amin ay 15. So, ibig sabihin, yung pong barangay ninyo, parang ka-level lang kami, di ba? Pero we are the largest municipality in the province. So I am proud dahil nandito po ako at pinakikita ang kausayan at galing ng mga kabataan ng San Jose Talisay. So, gusto po namin pasalamatan yung member of the panel of jury president's competition at alam naman po namin that everyone of you are busy pero gusto namin sabihin sa inyo na kayo po ang magiging susi at sasagutan ulo for choosing who will be this year's the 2025 Miss San Jose Talisay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before anything else, then we have Kagawad Junet Magana for the message. Palakpakan po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre po, higit sa lahat sa ating pong napakagaling at napakasipag na po ng barangay. Kap Joseph Encina, sa mga kasamahan ko po sa
Thank you so much, Kagawa Jeanette. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, another intermission number coming from the Deep Set Dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our candidates in the gown competition.
Nakaupo siya sa isang madilim na sulok. Ewan ko ba kung bakit sa libo-libong lupain